Are you wondering whether it's the right time to buy or sell Arista Networks stock? In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into Arista Networks. We initially published a report on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 31, 2023, our system has ranked Arista Networks as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.53. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During the past 73 days since we first recommended buying Arista Networks, it has surpassed our expectations with a gain of 32.59%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.45% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $261.10 is broken, it may indicate a slower rate of rising or even a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 31.34% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 29.08% and 41.29%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 71.57% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return between 32.62% and 83.33%, resulting in a price range of $352.32 to $487.05 after 12 months. In our latest update on Arista Networks, we have an interesting headline: Green Day on Wednesday for Arista Networks Inc. stock after gaining 0.0603%. Let's delve into the details. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday the 14th of February 2024, the stock price of Arista Networks Inc. increased by 0.0603%. It went up from $265.51 to $265.67. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $263.81 and a high of $271.35, showing a 2.86% difference. It's worth noting that the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has seen a 2.7% increase over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 3 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $812.30 million. It's important to consider that a decline in volume at higher prices can indicate a divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached was $292.66, while the lowest price was $131.68. At present, the price stands at 9.22% or $26.99 below the 52-week high, and it is 50.48% or $270.87 below the all-time high on November 9, 2021, when it reached $536.54. Today, let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for ANET. On Monday, February 12, 2024, Morgan Stanley gave ANET an overweight grade with a hold action. Wells Fargo also gave ANET an overweight grade with a hold action on the same day. JMP Securities had a different perspective, giving ANET a market outperform grade with a hold action. Following that, Piper Sandler rated ANET as neutral with a hold action. Let's also go back to Tuesday, October 31, 2023, when Needham gave ANET an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Arista Networks stock a general strong buy rating. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. Additionally, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating for return on investment. Today, let's take a closer look at Arista Networks and analyze its signals. The stock of Arista Networks Inc. currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is also a buy signal from the long-term average. This indicates that while the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock. This positive forecast suggests potential future gains. It's important to note that as the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $271.76. Conversely, if the stock declines, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $256.26. To determine future signals, we should keep an eye on certain indicators. If the stock breaks through the short-term average, it will generate a buy signal. On the other hand, if it breaks down through the long-term average, it will generate a sell signal. We should also pay attention to the volume and price relationship. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. It's crucial to closely monitor the stock's performance in light of this divergence. Additionally, there are some negative signals that have been issued, which may impact the stock's near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 9, 2024, resulting in a 5.94% decline. This suggests that further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is currently showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator generated a sell signal 4 days ago. According to the Bollinger indicator, there was a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average indicator produced a sell signal 3 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicator indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicator provided a buy signal 74 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 180 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop-loss for Arista Networks. Arista Networks Inc. has found support from accumulated volume at $265.51. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. In terms of volatility, this stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock had a price range of $7.54, representing a 2.86% fluctuation. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.78%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Arista Networks, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high expectations for future growth. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for May 6, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings are at $1.66. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Arista Networks. If there's an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $273.10. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, Arista Networks faces its first support level at $265.51. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The average rating for Arista Networks, according to multiple analysts, is strong buy. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On February 9, 2024, Taxi Mark made an insider purchase of 5,360 shares of restricted stock unit 15. On February 9, 2024, Sudna Anshul made an insider purchase of 13,280 shares of restricted stock unit 15. On February 9, 2024, McCool John F. made an insider purchase of 3,970 shares of restricted stock unit 12. On February 9, 2024, Duda Kenneth made an insider purchase of 99,080 shares of restricted stock unit 14. On February 9, 2024, Duda Kenneth made an insider purchase of 7,340 shares of restricted stock unit 13. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated as negative with a ratio of -8.567. In total, insiders have purchased 173,122 shares and sold 212,413 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $251.11, which represents a decrease of 5.48%. This particular stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 3 days ago. Is Arista Networks stock a good buy? While Arista Networks Inc. currently shows several negative signals, it should be considered a hold candidate in this position due to the possibility of a turnaround. We recommend holding or accumulating the stock while awaiting further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. On Thursday, February 15th, we anticipate Arista Networks to open up at $1.27 and begin trading at $266.94. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd also love to know your target for this stock. If you find this content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here to provide you with valuable insights and help you succeed in your trading journey. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a fantastic day. From all of us here at Stock Invest, thank you for watching.